HDI Air Pack Series. Let's review the ease of maintenance on the HDI Air Pack Series. Warning: please read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully. Daily maintenance checks are recommended. Items to check: compressor oil level, air filters, belts, hoses, and look for visible leaks. To perform routine maintenance, the HDI Air Pack has easy single-side service access to compressor oil drain and filter locations. Review the maintenance label under the service door of each unit. Filter kit numbers are all listed for your convenience. Recommended service interval alerts include all routine maintenance items like belts, generator brushes, and filters. Inside the terminal strip cover is where all electrical connections are made. These connections should only be connected and disconnected by an authorized Miller installer or service technician. As always, reference the owner's manual at millerwelds.com for additional detailed information. Here are some common troubleshooting issues that can be checked. Circuit breaker, or CB1. The first thing to check when the auxiliary power, weld, or battery charge doesn't operate. For proper installation, review the owner's manual for proper clearance and airflow. Make sure items, equipment, or other materials are not stacked on or around the unit, reducing airflow. Again, airflow into and out is extremely important. It's recommended an air reservoir is plumbed properly, connected, and installed between the HDI and the regulators. See the owner's manual for a recommendation. Negative performance impacts could be experienced if the tank is at the end of the line. When using the air compressor, be sure to let the unit run long enough to heat up and release moisture from the oil. Remember, the owner's manual is the best source for information, which is available on millerwelds.com under Support.